Sahajaste, natural and authentic in me, affirms natural and authentic in you. Sixth chakra, third eye chakra, is known as Agya chakra in Sanskrit. Agya means command. Once we reach this chakra, we become commander, master of our own life. If you remember, we lost the mastery over our life's energy at the second chakra. So from second to fifth was our journey of conformity, finding our place in the world, getting our self-esteem from outside. We became a social or cultural person, not fully individualized, not our unique personality. But as we move from the fifth chakra to sixth chakra, gradually we fall in love with ourselves. What that means, up to the fifth chakra, we fell in love with the world, enjoying everything outside. But now we become aware of the inner world, spiritual world, vast world of creativity and bliss. So we want to know ourselves. And knowing means self-knowledge. Self-knowledge means self-love. So pull of this self-love is so deep that we plunge into our own being, inside world. And this inside world is the world of sixth chakra. Self-knowledge means self-control, self-discipline, and becoming our own master. But this inner world is not all light. It contains darkness, shadow, all our memories from the past, emotional wounds and scars, trauma, anger, guilt, fear, and all kinds of emotional and mental health problems. So going into sixth chakra is existential crisis, because we have to face everything of the darkness, of the shadow which we accumulated. It is like facing the death. But this death is not about physical death. It is the death of the ego, identity. And actually, this death is equivalent to dissolution. Because in sixth chakra, slowly the I dissolves. But it will be reassembled again, but in a different form. Then it won't be commander or ruler, but our higher consciousness will rule, command, and our ego or identity will become a servant. Because in sixth chakra, the I or identity is dissolving, it is frightening, it is fearful. We may develop anxiety. But all that anxiety, all that fear is the right one, because it is not going to stay. When we enter into sixth chakra and experience all of this, everything will be cleaned out. That is why in sixth chakra, true healing starts. Before sixth chakra, whatever we call healing actually is a therapy. It can give us relief, but it can never bring complete healing. Sixth chakra is the true healing because we clean out everything. So by only going through the sixth chakra, we attain complete mental and emotional health. And once we do that, the true spirituality starts. Although spirituality was there in the fifth chakra, in the fourth chakra, in the third chakra, but true spirituality means those deep insight, intuition, and wisdom truly start at the sixth, and they ripe, they mature, and they completely are expressed at the seventh chakra. And how this existential crisis is activated: if there is a loss, if there is a tragedy, if there is a trauma, sense of grief, or near death experience, and rarely even love, a very deep love can activate existential crises and also sixth chakra. So let us see few pictures here. So as you can see here, six chakras essence, I heal. It is about existential consciousness. Existential consciousness means a consciousness which is about life and death, fundamental problems, not about job, not about house, not about car, not about money. And there is the experience of chaos and fear, which is necessary so that our identity will be dissolved. And for some moment, there is a loss of control. That means surrender, complete let go. Because without surrender and let go, we cannot move to the next stage. The gland of this chakra is the pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is in the middle of the head. So it actually is inside the skull, but if you put a needle in the forehead, it will touch the pituitary gland because location of this chakra is in the middle of the two eyebrows here. It is also called third eye. So you can see the location here. So in this picture, you can see shadow because we just live on the surface. But if we really want to go into the core of our natural, authentic self, spiritual self, we have to face this shadow, means our own darkness. And if we are facing our own darkness, for some time we will be very lonely, walking alone. Just like a boat without any support in a big sea. That is how we feel because our old identity, ego is dismantled and the new conscious is not there yet. So our old identity is chipping away, but out of that, a new person is born. And as we come to the end of the chakra, there is a light at the end of the tunnel because now there is a light of the seventh chakra. Our journey is coming to a completion. As far as the practices, breathing, meditation, affirmation, and seed sound. So to sum up the sixth chakra, It is all about self-knowing, self-love. We want to move inside world up to the fifth. We were in the world. That brings a crisis. We face our own shadow and darkness. We want to completely clean it so that we will be healed. We will regain our true mental and emotional health, our spirituality. And there is no danger to the body. It is merely fear in our mind because we feel as the word which was supporting us is gone. This part may last few minutes, few days, sometimes few months, but eventually we will come out of the other end and we will become the commander of our own life. We'll become the master of our own life because now the Kundalini is awakened and it is governing our life in the most beautiful and disciplined way. Sahajaste.